straight into work this time. Hello everyone. This project is all about transforming this old mirror into a more modern one. While we take it apart, I have a fun fact for you. You all know the Snow White story, right? Leave a comment down below how do you remember the mirror mirror on the wall quote, and you will be surprised what answer we get. Yes, the boring sanding part again. We cut all the edges and remade them with the router. We gave it 2 coats of wood primer, but we realized it needed more. We spray painted it white, but I will never use a spray paint on wood ever again. We cleaned the mirror and then added a nice LED strip. We carefully put the mirror back in place, and this is the result. What do you think? Thanks for watching and see you next time.